portable fire extinguisher. This is a powder fire extinguisher used to extinguish class A, class B and class C of fires. Class A means a fire which is because of combustible materials like wood, paper, etc. Class B is related to basically oil or any flammable liquids, then that is the class B. And class C is electrical fire. So it can be used on A, B and C classes of fire. On C classes of fire, that is electrical, we try to use CO2 if possible, because this though is very effective, but it leaves a mess. For suppose if there is a fire on a electrical panel and you use this, it will extinguish the fire, but it will leave a lot of mess, a lot of powder around the circuits and around the circuitry. It might render the complete panel useless. So for electrical fires, CO2 firefighter, CO2 extinguisher is preferable, but if you do not have, then this is absolutely okay. Fairly simple to use. You have this nozzle, point it to the base of the fire, remove this seal, then you have this pin, just remove this pin and press the lever. That's it. Break the seal, remove the pin, press the lever and point this nozzle to the base of the fire, always to the base of the fire. So it can be used like, it's a portable, so you can use it, lift it very easily, and then you can go pointing at the fire and it will extinguish the fire. It has got powder inside and has got a CO2 cartridge. So when we do this, when we press this lever, we are puncturing the CO2, and CO2 is forcing, there's a pipe inside all the way going down. CO2 is forcing this powder to come through that pipe into that nozzle, and we will direct it towards the base of the fire. So that is how it is to be used. Thank you.